Welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel Logic Man. Due to certain reasons, I have started my YouTube channel again, and today on the eve of 15 August, I am going to represent two poems in front of you all. Hope you like it. Please watch the video, subscribe it and like it. And I am introducing myself again. My name is Kaustubh Narayan Medhi. I study in class 9 from Assam, India. So we all know on 15 August we celebrate the great event of Independence Day. The historic day of independence occurred on 15th of August 1947 when the British rule came to an end. India represented a unique non-violent freedom struggle in front of the world and reflected that freedom is gained can be gained through non-violence methods also. This also shows that freedom is not within limits. Freedom is an equal aspect for everyone, whether it is poor or dead, whether it is poor or rich. Freedom is not limited only to rich people or people who are educated. Freedom is for everyone. So, based on this topic, that is freedom, I am going to represent a poem in front of you all. Hope you like the poem. The title of the poem is Freedom, and it has been composed by me. And the poem goes like this. Freedom. Freedom is not just a word. It is our birthright. A human is not born to live within bonds. No one can crush the power of freedom. Evil power comes to an end by the enforcement of freedom. Struggle is a key to unlock the door of freedom. Bring out the feelings of freedom. Break the bonds of dependence. Freedom is an aspect of equality for both rich and poor. Freedom earns you respect, which is more valuable than money. Thank you. This is a poem which has been composed by me based on freedom. Hope you like this poem. I am also going to talk on one different topic, that is about career. Career, now everyone knows what is career. Many have the wrong thought that career is a source of income. Many people in this world think career like that, think career to be a source of income only. But career is not a source of income in reality. Career is an output of talent. Career is the result of the pain, hard work and the tough conditions through which a person undergoes for achievement. The main criteria for achievement is hard work, and hard work helps a person to make a good career ahead in life. So career cannot be a source of income. This is a very wrong perception and a wrong thinking for everyone. Everyone who thinks career to be a source of income is wrong. Career can never be a money lender. So based on this topic, that is career, I have also written a poem on that to change the thought process for career of the people, to make people understand, realize the real meaning, the real truth, which is the real meaning of career. So the title of the poem is Career, and the poem goes like this. A new beginning, a new era. Industrial advancements making the world materialistic. Day-to-day commercial and stressful lives. No time for relaxation. Money seems to be the source for survival in this human race. Start a career, earn money, a perception of foolish people. Career can never be a money lender. Career is an output of talent. Train yourself, work hard, Don't waste time. Career is an opportunity. Utilize it. So, hope you like the two poems which I have represented in front of you all today, and wait for my upcoming videos. Share this video with more and more people so that this video becomes successful and this reaches out to more and more people in this world. So please subscribe it, watch the whole video, like it. Thank you. Namaskar.